Hello everyone, welcome to Ready Kit Foods, channel of easy recipes, delicacies, and traditional foods. So guys, if you're new in this channel, please go through my channel, watch my videos, like, share, and subscribe. Remember also to switch on your notification bell so that you be the first among the first people to be seeing my videos while they are uploaded. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning back. Otherwise, today I'm back with this video. And for Kenyans, I know you know this video so much. It's called mrenda. And for foreigners, this is one of Kenya's traditional vegetable. I just want to so much loved and healthy. So I just want to share with you on how to do it. I'd already done it in this channel, the traditional way. So guys, today I just want to do it the modern way. Watch this video until the end, and I hope you will love it and you will try it. So let's move. So guys, this is my vegetable. This is how it looks like. Here in Kenya we call it mrenda. In English we call it jute. And then there's certain community in Kenya who loves it so much. They call it murere from western part of Kenya. So this kind of recipe you can serve it with any starchy food, and it's very very nice. So I did it in the traditional way where I use milk. So traditionally you add milk to it, but now I want to do it the modern way. I've received many messages, people asking me to help them do it the modern way. And then there are also some people who do not really take milk. So they ask me, what about how can it be done without milk? So if you are one person who's been asking this for this, please keep tuned to this and see how we are going to do it without milk. So keep tuned. So you've just seen my veggies. I've just washed them. But traditionally, we don't wash them because they are slippery. So if we wash them, most of them will be washed away with the water. So we normally wash them before we remove them from the stems. But for modern, we wash them. So I've just washed this. And then traditionally, we don't cut them. We just boil them the way they are. And they are boiled fast traditionally, just the way they are. But now in modern style, you have to cut them. The next step you want to do is just to cut them. You don't really need to cut small, small. Just cut them normally. How it looks when after cutting it. This is how it will look. So traditionally we boil them. From here we boil them, but now in modern style I have some spring onions here, and I have my tomatoes here. Now I'm going to blend the tomatoes because we are in modern way we cook it using tomatoes. You can add some little bit of spice if you have, and some salt to taste. But traditionally we use only spring onions. So in modern style you can also use the red onions, the white onions, whatever kind of onions. But they taste well in spring onions. That's why I'm going to use spring onions. So keep tuned. Just place my pan with some little vegetable oil. So I'm going to try to make a paste for that vegetable first. So what you do, you have to let your oil cook so well. So keep tuned, guys. And this is oil is ready. I'm just going to add in my onion. So as my onions are still cooking, I will go ahead. So guys, the reason why we blend these tomatoes for this recipe, so that the fibers of the tomatoes are not moved. You can even look at the stew, how beautiful it looks. So this will make this vegetable more classy. We will cook a bit. Then when I come back, I will add some salt. So I will just cover it. My water is ready. My water is ready, and now I'm just going to add in my vegetable. So, for those who are not coming in Kenya, this kind of vegetable is more or less like the okra of West Africa. In fact, in Central Africa, people also use okra. So, what we are going to do, we'll give it a mix. So, guys, you can see how it's looking like. So, at this point now, we're just going to cover it and let it cook. And now you will see it now getting slippery like the okra soup. So keep tuned, guys. Just to check on my mrenda, guys, you can see now it is not the one that we were looking at. You see now it's even slippery. It's kind of slippery. So we'll still let it cook for about 10 more minutes. It's always healthy. It's healthy when it is green. So guys, you can see it. So, but still, you'll have to give it some little time. Guys, you can see my blender or my vegetable is just done, and now I'm just going to serve it. So keep tuned. Miranda, the modern way. So those who have been asking me that they love Miranda so much, but they don't know how to prepare it, and whatever they're seeing in my channel is the traditional way of doing it. So you requested me to do this. Please watch this video until the end and try it out. It's very, very nice and so tasty. You will even think that it has a stew. So you can serve it with any starchy food like ugali or maybe some protein if you have. So just keep tuned and see how I'm going to serve mine. So guys, this is now the blender, the modern way. I've served it with starchy ugali, Kenyan ugali, and silverfish. So, so nice. So this is a very nice meal. Thank you so much for tuning. And please, I encourage you to continue DMing me and telling me what you want me to prepare next. So please give my video a like and share. Otherwise, thank you. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.